Hi, I'm Crystal McFadden at Cole Chevy, bringing you the tip of the day, along with this 2022 Chevy Trailblazer. Make no mistake, you should always know how to jumpstart your car battery, no question. That is especially true for those who live in climates where they see all 4 seasons. Before we go through the steps of learning how to jumpstart the car, it's always good to remember that you need a set of jumper cables so you can ask for help, or you can actually buy a jump box so you can do it alone. Cole Chevy in our parts department actually has this particular one in stock. However, we do have a smaller version that we can get as well. Fits right in your glove box. First step after you get your jumper cables out, you want to make sure that your vehicle is in park and the ignition is turned off. So for your next step, you're going to look for your red terminal. Typically there is a plus sign on the top of it to help indicate. You're going to lift it up, put your red connector directly on the middle. Next, you're going to take your black negative connector and place it directly on the middle. That's better. You're going to turn your battery power on. And you're going to leave it setting for about 5 minutes, that way the battery can get enough charge. Most importantly to remember that if the jump start does work and the vehicle is running, drive around for about 15 minutes without shutting off your engine. You want to make sure to give that battery plenty of time to charge itself back up before turning it back off again. So if it won't start, check your connectors, make sure everything is still hooked up in time, give it a few minutes and try again. If it still won't start, your battery might be beyond help, you can call Cole Chevy. We do have batteries in stock. As always, thank you for watching Cole Chevy's Tip of the Day. Make sure you check back next week for more useful tips. Make sure to schedule your next service appointment at colechevy.com, and if you have any questions about this beautiful 2022 Chevy Trailblazer, make sure you give me a call.